Understanding acid rain, causes, effects, and solutions. Acid rain is precipitation with high levels of sulfuric and nitric acids, harming the environment. Pollutants like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides from factories and vehicles lead to acid rain formation. It occurs when sulfur and nitrogen compounds react with water vapor in the atmosphere. Acid rain damages ecosystems, affecting plants, aquatic life, and human-made structures like buildings. Reducing emissions and promoting clean energy are vital steps to combat acid rain effectively.